What's up? What's up? My bad. I was on the phone with Jadon. What's good, everybody? All right, we got. I don't expect too many people to hop on here, but we gonna do what we gonna do. Ended red today, 2 days in a row, but that is okay. What we're gonna do is we are going to look for some swing trades, and let's run it up. If you guys got questions in the meantime, feel free to ask. But yeah, I'm gonna basically show you what I'm looking at and the reasons behind some of these swing trades, and you're also going to see the process of finding these swings to begin with. So you guys got any questions whatsoever, you guys whatever it is, bring it up in the chat. Anyways, something to keep on alert going into next week is going to be UNH. So UNH, we got this trend line. I did say on Twitter earlier that XLV is going to be pretty interesting if it does break above this high right here at 134.50. So if we see UNH go, it's probably going to take XLV with it, and as a result, it's going to take a lot of other healthcare with it as well. So personally with UNH, I just want to see it break this trend line. I'll probably be looking for some type of butterfly. If we can get it over 500, take it to 509.23, 510, take a pivot high, pivot low on our Fibonacci. Next price target from there is going to be around 526.08. So I do like the way that UNH is looking. XOP, this was on the weekly watch list. Unfortunately, I missed this. Those contracts are now $10 in the money if we were to get that. But yeah, GLD, I'm in some more leaps because there were some huge swings coming in for the 200 calls. So I'm holding those. Another one's going to be Dr. Pepper. So I like the way that Dr. Pepper's looking. It's squeezing on the daily time frame. I believe this 39.35 is all-time high. However, Dr. Pepper is something that doesn't really move. So we're gonna have to go far out. Might have to buy an in the money call. But personally, what I would like to see is a crack above 39.13, and then overall price target would be around 40.28. So again, look for an in the money call for that. That's going to be on watch next week. This MPC is sparking my interest as well, because MPC, it's holding the 21 and 34 EMA. It's squeezing, but it has a red momentum. So we know if a stock is holding the moving averages and it's got red momentum and it's in a red dot squeeze, well, that momentum is going to turn into yellow. Yellow will turn into light blue, and the squeeze will fire up. So MPC, this has to do with oil and gas. What did we see? XLE, XOP, Exxon, Chevron, they're all going up, but MPC isn't moving. It's staying still. So I might try a jab at it today. We'll see. Let's see, what was it sitting at? 77.46. It might be better just wait for Monday so we don't get hit by the theta, but I like the March 18th expiration for these. Possibly the $80 calls from there. Basic Fibonacci 83.73 is honestly probably what I'd look at. But that's another swing I'm looking at. And then EWC, which is going to be a swing trade on Canada. I always find the weirdest swings, but yeah, Canada. We're seeing that on balance volume come up. We're seeing that squeeze come up as well. So I do want to see what happens here. Again, might have to swing something in the money, but we'll see. So let's look for some swings. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 50 people up in here and only 20 likes. But yeah, also, again, if you guys got questions, feel free to type them in the chat. Or if you want me to look at a stock for a possible swing, feel free to do that as well. As far as Chewy, not interested. For me personally, I only swing. There has to be a squeeze. So I don't see a squeeze on Chewy. I'll avoid that. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip through my squeeze scanner. Hopefully we can find something. NOV going, has to do with oil. ASML destroyed. Avigo over 614.64 would actually be interesting, even for day trades. Keep that on watch. Dash going into next week. Let's see. And in the money call would be like if the stock price is at 31, you would buy the 30 call. It's already in the money. But I do like this dash. If it broke below 85.18, we might be able to trade that next week. Let's see, dash. Good afternoon. Power hour swing looking. What is this? MCK. Those contracts are mad expensive, so. Also watch Costco. Has that daily squeeze. Maybe above like 540 in the future. I'll be interested. Let's see. ADI. Nope. XLP. This has been one that I've been watching for a while. I have to kick my dog out of here. But I've been watching XLP for a minute. This is going to be your stocks like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Walmart, so on and so forth. Just look for, you know, a break above that trend line. It's hit it 1, 2, 3 times. So keep that on watch. ON is the semiconductors. That's breaking down. All right, so that's it for that scanner. SPLK right at that 100, 200 SMA. Hershey Park is going. Unfortunately, we missed that one. That daily squeeze looks like it's going to go. That monthly squeeze has been firing. Surprised Hershey Park is going up. Right at that 127 extension. I gotta put that one on my big watch list because I've had Hershey pop up a few times. Not interested. Another thing to watch is the utilities. What is this? Petro China. Is there liquidity in the contracts? No. This one doesn't have liquidity. But yeah, watch utilities. Domain or whatever this company is, D. Looks like it's finally breaking out. I think it was at a monthly symmetrical triangle, yeah, and a monthly squeeze. So this one could be interesting. Could take utilities with it. The thing is, yeah, we're scalping corn. The thing is with utilities, I'm like 0-5 when it comes to swinging them, so I kind of have like PTSD every single time one of these pop up on my radar. But honestly, it could get booking. I keep this on watch next week. Possible swing. D. Let's see, liquidity in these. For the March 18th expiration, there is. Weekly looks good, daily looks good, daily squeezing. 88.9. That would explain why there's a lot of people in those 88.5s. Or 87.5s, my bad. Anybody got Friday plans? Weekend plans? Or are y'all gonna binge watch my YouTube? Hopefully it's binge watch my YouTube, but hey, if you guys want to go out, I'm okay with that too. Also, who in here is how many of you in here are from Team Bull? Team Bull represent. Where you guys at? Let's see. Right now we're just running through again, we're running through possible swing trading scenarios. What is this? No liquidity. Yeah. There we go. Team Bull represents. Yes, yes, yes. Hold on, I didn't even look at that stock. Clicked on it, didn't even look at it. There we go. That's what I like to see. Now, how many of you in here are not in Team Bull? Are you just somebody random on YouTube that came across the channel? Let me know if you're not in Team Bull. DWAC. We can actually review the trade on DWAC. On DWAC, I was watching for that pre-market break. I was squeezing on the daily and the 1 hour, so I wanted to see that 1 hour fire up. So as soon as it broke above that pre-market high, that's when I got in. And what I did not see was there was a trend line connecting this high to this high. And if you connect it, extend it to the right, what did DWAC hit to a T today before dropping that trend line? So that's why I lost money today. Just, you know, something stupid like that. But remember, with every single loss we have in the market, it's a lesson. You take two L's, you put them together, you get a W. And I know that's a really cringy saying, but that's straight facts. But yeah, that's how I lost money today. 2 days in a row, baby. I'm proud to admit it. It happens. It's part of trading. If you want to trade for a full-time, or if you want trading to be your full-time income, you're going to have days where you lose money. That's just, you know, that's the reality of it. Now, it only becomes a problem when your losses are bigger than your winners. So, you know, my losses, I try to keep them minimal. And, you know, yesterday I didn't lose that much until Texas Roadhouse nailed me from the back, but that's a different story. Yeah, that's part of trading. Keep your losses minimal, let your winners ride out, and that's how you'll be successful in trading. Now, hold on, my dogs are about to freak out. 1 second. Anyways, but yeah, you know, it happens. That's part of trading. Let's see. A lot of red today. Skinners didn't pick up on too much. There's actually Verizon looks pretty good. Unfortunately, I cannot see into the future and tell you the exact price that SPY will open at on Monday. But if I could, I'd be a millionaire. Quadruple millionaire. I'd be making $1 million every day if I could see that. Let's see. I do really like that Verizon. 418. Let's see. It's actually really, really cheap too. Buy a $55 call for $153. Put that Verizon on watch. Squeeze. Daily, weekly. Above the moving averages. Volumes increasing. I like the possibility of that one. I have no idea what this is. HAL. I don't even know what HAL is. What is this? Halliburton. Oh, it's an oil stock. It has the world's second largest oil field service company. Interesting. That's a possibility. Crack above that 34.32. Yeah, no, I had no idea about this. That's one that you can watch too. Said oil's popping. Or not oil, gold. Yeah, I know gold's going. Sexy. Cool. Thank you for the donation, Grizzly. Oh, Grizzly. There we go. Air horns, baby.
Bing bang. Let's go.
He got them all. Bing bongs, air horns, and the let's goes. I love it. What was I about to say though? Yeah, so the other way that I look for swings, it's actually really easy. To be honest with you guys, I don't really swing puts unless it's on Spire QQQ. I usually don't do them on the individual stocks. So to find where the strength is in the market, I mean, it's pretty easy to do so. You go on over to FinViz, Maps, boom. What's green? What's red? Utilities, green. Oil and gas, green. Healthcare, green, slightly green. Railroads, UNP, I saw that today, went crazy. NSC, CSX. Let's actually look at some of the railroads. See if we can hit any of them. NSC. That's a big. That's a daily too. CSX. Wow. Lockheed Martin. Guess we can look at RCX, GD. What is the that Russian ETF got destroyed. What is hold on. RTX, that's what it is. GD's going ham. Look at that. Real quick though, if any of you are not in Team Bull, but you are in this live stream, hold on. If you would like to join the Discord server, get 50% off your first month plus 2 free trial days. Feel free to use that link right there and use discount code BULL50, capital BULL50. That's how you get that 50% off plus 2 free trial days. I never sold XLE for a loss. We sold it at a W. Is that like 90%? Anyways, the screenshot's in my channel. But yeah, if you guys want to know when I'm actually entering these swings, feel free to join the Discord server. I always post them in my channel. Let's see. Let's flip through the priority week. That AR went crazy. I missed that swing, unfortunately. Watching Bristol Myers. Let's see. NUE hit the price target. That was on the weekly watch list. Steel is going crazy. You guys want to ask me if I'm an X now? Nobody wants to ask now. If you guys are an OG in Team Bull, you know that. You still an X? Thank you for the donation. I greatly appreciate it.
Bing bang. Let's go.
There we go, baby. You get all three too. Thank you, thank you. Greatly appreciate it. Trying to see if there's any. A lot of the oil names already went. That's the issue. There's a few. Real estate looks pretty strong right now. Let's see. UDR broke out, or UDR broke out. UDR. There we go. EQR. Again, we're just flipping through some stuff. Kroger is up 6% today. Wow. Nice. AVB. I will never sell my Bitcoin. Never, ever, ever. You have to shoot me first. Where does that take us? Around 250. There's no liquidity. Alright, let's just start flipping through random names now. Whatever that is, that went crazy. Look at corn though. Corn went crazy. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, wait for Bitcoin to bottom, and then I'll be loading up on some hut leaps. They are cheap, like you said, for 2023. How's FCX? FCX went crazy. Gilead. Walmart's up $3 today. Grizzly's favorite. USO, absolutely stupid. UCO, oh my. Again, if you guys got any questions, feel free to type them in the chat. I'll answer all of them to my best ability. If you keep hearing a beep, it's just my my squeezes. It's nice to see that my my silver bars are finally up $2 from when I bought them. Great investment. $2 return on 10-ounce bars. So in reality, $20 profit per bar. Oh yeah, I was looking at PLL. The only issue is they report next week. I don't know if they had liquidity. Oh yeah, and they're mad expensive right now. Remember, there is a bull market somewhere. Our job as traders is to identify it. Now, part of me wants to, we already talked about MPC, but part of me wants to try it. I just feel like oil's too high to even, I don't want to chase any oil trades up here. Could oil go higher? Yes. Do I think it's overextended? Yes. Let me see. If I were to swing this, it would be a very light size. We can keep that on the maybe. Maybe side. Not really attracted to them. I still think they can fall. I think Lockheed Martin could see more next week. That's like Dr. Pepper again. Honestly, we're running out of things that we can swing. We've been doing pretty good at finding swings though. Like, it's been a really hard market to swing anything, but we've been doing pretty good in Team Bull. Yeah, Baba is going to be on watch next week below that 100 level. It's already bounced twice. So, I want to see what happens. CVS looks interesting. Oh, it still hasn't hit that high. Maybe something I could watch. We'll look at your Sava and NCR here in a minute. Hey, COP hit 100. Whew. No, typically when I swing, I'm only doing puts on the indices, so SPY and QQQ. As far as swings, I would say like mid-November to January was probably the hardest because the market was showing no clear sign of, you know, wanting to go down or up. It was kind of, you know, just very choppy. So that was probably the hardest for me when it came to swings. Even during COVID, I mean, during COVID, it was very obvious swing puts. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna still watch that Texas Roadhouse. Like I said, it reminds me a lot of the GLD setup. So, you know, I'm still going to watch this. The only thing is, we probably now have a new trend line. Because remember, we traded GLD the first time. It broke out barely of the original trend line here, and then it tanked right back down. So then at that point we had a new trend line, and then this is when we entered again and caught the rip. So if we look at the weekly time frame, they're very, very similar. Texas Roadhouse, GLD. So best thing that you can do is just follow your risk management and then re-enter when an entry is given. Yeah, you can buy leaps on TOS. Of course you can. Let's see. What other stocks do you guys want me to look at? We already looked at BCE. Look at cannabis. Marijuana. But you asked for Sava. And again, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure to click that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. As far as Sava, if anything, I would be more interested in the downside. It's about to generate it did generate a sell signal below the 20 line on the stochastics, which is a very strong sell signal. So if Sava breaks below 36, it's probably going to see 33.5. Read the book Letting Go. Go on Amazon, type in Letting Go. It's a bright yellow book. Very boring book to read, but it will help you with your emotions. Big time. Let's see, what was the other one that you asked me to look at? NCR. Why do I feel like I've seen this one before? Not interested. Not really interested. Let's see, SoFi. If anything on SoFi, I'd be looking for puts. Not too interested. It looks like they're selling it pretty hard on the all amounts volume. Is my mic picking up on this fan? Sorry about that. X has made the move. It's gone. It is gone. See if my scanners are picking up on anything else. Not really. I mean, I guess. I mean, we got a few stocks that I'm going to be watching for swings. UNH, XOP can go because XOP is just too overextended. Pepsi, I'm going to keep watching that. D, Verizon, Crystal Myers, MO can go. I do really like that MPC though. Keep that bad boy on watch. Bill. If anything, I'll be looking for puts. Not too interested in the upside. Maybe it comes down to that monthly 21, which is at like 186. But yeah, not too interested. But yeah, so I guess that's gonna wrap it up for today. I don't see anything else. But I do appreciate you guys hopping on here and keeping me company for the last hour of the market open. Again, if you guys are not in Team Bull, make sure to click that link that I put up a little higher. I'll send it in chat again. There you go. If you guys are not in Team Bull, feel free to join. You'll get 2 free trial days plus 50% off your first month. Can I check Cisco? Of course I can. And actually, I want to check Intel. Intel not interested in Cisco. Does have that daily squeeze. 58 is going to be an important level on Cisco. Watch and see what it does above there. But yeah, everybody enjoy your weekend. I will have my SPY and QQQ analysis uploaded tomorrow night at 7 o'clock, so make sure you guys are here. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so. Other than that, everybody enjoy your weekend. Don't party